Okay, so we'll continue with that next formula, ray diagrams we have done first. Now mirror formula, that is applicable for mirror as well as lenses. So that mirror formula is like that, 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon. Now what is v, u and f? U is the object distance. Wherever we are taking object, from there to pole, that distance is called object distance. Then v, that is image distance, like, wait, I will tell you. See, like this diagram. Okay, now what is the object distance here? Here you see this diagram, you see. Now this is an object. Here we have taken an object. So from this object to pole up to here, that distance is called object distance. Now where the image is formed, like image is formed here, from here to pole, that is image distance. And focal length, from focus to pole, the distance between focus and pole, that is called focal length. Okay. Then what is the radius here? Radius, that is half. That means center of curvature to pole, that is radius. And half of radius, that is focus. That means focus is lying in between pole and center of curvature. मतलब focus क्या है? Radius का half है, आधा है. और focus क्या है? Radius का double है. ये भी बोल सकते हैं हम. Okay? So I told you about object distance. U is, you have to note down all this, okay? Whatever I am dictating you note down and make your own notes. U is object distance, V is image distance, and F is a focal length. Now focus, I told you, that is half of radius. Radius का आधा focus, focal length, and radius का double focal length. So these are two formulas we can make here. First is mirror formula. This is 1 upon v plus 1 upon, this is for mirror, okay? 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. For focus, focal length, r by 2, radius का half है focal length, या radius का focal length double है, तो 2f. ये दो फार्मूले बनेंगे. अगर जैसे आपको radius दिया है 15 centimeter, find out focal length. So what we have to do? Focal length क्या हो जाएगा? r by 2, मतलब इसका half. So 15 upon 2. Like this, simple numericals are there. Now next topic is about linear magnification. What is linear magnification? Magnification, as I told you, m, we have learned m is equal to, m means that magnification, but how much that size of the image is magnified. Bada, chota, small, diminished, point size. So that we will find out by finding the ratio of height of image to the ratio of height of object. So we will say linear magnification is defined as ratio of height of image to the height of object. Height of image, we are taking this h2 and here h1. So it will be m is equal to h2 upon h1. That means ratio of height of that we are taking height of image to the height of object. इसका ratio. Now we are comparing that when m is greater than 1, m अगर greater है, magnification अगर 1 से ज़्यादा है, that means image object से बड़ी है. Image is greater than the size of the object. Because for plane mirror में क्या होता है? Same होती है image, जैसा object है वैसी image. तो plane mirror के लिए होता है m is equal to 1, क्योंकि बराबर है. तो in that way we are comparing size of the image to the size of the object. So when m is greater than 1, that means size of image is greater than size of object. Okay. Okay. Then when size of same size, if it is equal, h2, h1, m is equal to 1, that means image is of the same size. Okay. Size of the object and image both are of same size. And when it is less than 1, magnification अगर 1 से कम आता है, that means image size is smaller than the object. So like that we can find out, by finding magnification, we can find out that how is magnification, that smaller than the object or greater than the object or equal size. By magnification value we will find out that. h, what is h? Height of image, and this is height of object. Now next is when linear magnification is negative. अगर negative आता है that means it is real and inverted. नेगेटिव आने का मतलब क्या होगा? अगर मैग्निफिकेशन माइनस में आएगा तो नेचर क्या है वो भी हम पता लगा सकते हैं मैग्निफिकेशन से. साइज तो पता लगा लिया, नेचर ऑल्सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट दैट इफ इट इज़ कमिंग नेगेटिव दैट मीन्स image is real and inverted, and if it is coming positive then image is what? Virtual and erect. So when linear magnification is negative, image found by concave mirror is real and inverted. If it is coming positive, then image found by concave mirror must be virtual and erect. So up to here, just you note down everything, and ray diagrams, do it thoroughly, because now the next topic is about numericals based on all these ray diagrams. So it's very important to understand ray diagrams first, then only it will be easy for you to understand numericals. So next time we are going to start numericals. So be ready everybody. Okay, thank you. God bless you everyone.